am Reunekiea Williams, the founder and CEO of Reunekiea Financial. Today is a great day, May the 18th, 2018. We're closing on one or all fix and flips. We're looking for joint venture partners who want to come in and get a 50 to 100% return on your money by jumping in and investing into our project. Today is the start of one of our projects, and we're going to take you all on that journey. It's all about the teamwork. It's all about the teamwork and the proper education to get things done. When you have the proper team, you have the proper education, the proper processes and systems, you're able to get things done. So today I encourage you all to find the right team and put together the right processes and systems so you can be successful.